This morning, the highly contagious Delta variant is leaving much of the country battling a late summer spike. New cases and hospitalizations are exploding across the South.
If Florida and Louisiana were countries and not states, they would be number 1 and 2 in the world for the incidence of COVID.
The strength of the Delta variant surprising even Moderna President Dr. Stephen Hoge.
We believe the best way to get safely through the winter is going to be with a booster dose.
The CDC director warning of Delta's spread.
Our vaccines are working exceptionally well. They continue to work well for Delta, but what they can't do anymore is prevent transmission.
Some major companies, Amazon, Wells Fargo, and Microsoft, now delaying their plans for corporate employees to return to the office amid concerns over Delta. The Surgeon General and vaccine makers are hopeful that shots for those under 12 could be approved in the coming months, but not before kids return to the classroom.
There is no question we're going to see outbreaks in schools with this Delta variant. The question is how many and how big will they get?
In Florida, Republican Governor Ron DeSantis continues to defy CDC guidance for masking indoors. One school superintendent here is pleading with the governor for a mask mandate, writing in part, in the last 10 days alone, before school has even opened, 4 school-aged children in Leon County have been admitted to local hospitals. The issue has set off conflict between parents, officials, and other parents in multiple states, with anti-mask protesters taking over some school board meetings. All across the South, alarming outbreaks are wreaking havoc. In Mississippi, there are only 6 open ICU beds in the entire state. In Louisiana, 50 hospitals say they cannot care for all the patients coming in. In Austin, Texas, doctors are calling it the 4th wave. Officials are noting that vaccination rates in many areas are going up as fears of the variant grow, pleading with the public to protect themselves and others before it's too late.
Most people know someone who's sick right now. How do you help families get that lesson without having to live through it themselves?
In some southern states like Oklahoma, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, they're actually seeing an impact by the rising numbers. More people are now showing up to get vaccines. In fact, in the last 2 weeks in Tennessee, they've seen a 90% increase in people showing up to get their vaccines. And of course, all of this is happening as the Delta variant spreads and people are concerned of how that might impact kids who are about to go back to school.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.